Can I be honest? I don't know. I really don't know. They just played. I think they came out with a sense of urgency in the second half. In the first half, they were medyo gigil sa first 5 minutes, so we got that big lead. And then, like San Miguel fashion, sometimes one of the things that we have to correct is complacency. Coach Leo every day will tell us that, knowing that that's sometimes our problem, but I think tonight we solved it. Thank you.
How would you like to score?
Coach, congratulations. Coach George Lee, 41, CJ 31. Pero hindi na sila yung contribute Marso 18. Dunmar, slowly getting back into Sir Tolson. Ano siguro yung picture for the team?
We're not yet there. Obviously, alam namin mangyayari to kasi grabe mo pensa itong mga to. That's not a problem. You know, going scoreless for like 2 or 3 minutes is not a problem not so much for the composition of the team right now kasi talagang scorers tong lahat. Ang challenge lang dito namin ni Coach Leo is the number one, complacency. Tapos yung hindi sila magkanya-kanya. Pero tonight, okay naman na nagkanya-kanya sila.
2 assists.
May 2 assists daw siya. But yeah, we're trying to preach, you know, yung kultura namin, gusto namin mag-extra passes. Tapos gagawin na ni Coach Dayong yung video, gagawin ni Coach Dayong, papakita lahat ng extra pass sa scrimmages, sa laro namin, tapos we celebrate those little victories. Yun lang ang ginagawa namin always.
Okay, yung cut off yung third quarter no, 4-point shot. Talk about yung after mawala yung lamang yung third quarter, na-restore niyo yung control ng game sa overtime.
We just stayed composed talaga, and yun nga, sabi ni Coach P, nagkanya-kanya kami and nawala yung rhythm namin. So we just figured it out, and George keep attacking the basket and kicking out the ball. So we're lucky na nasushoot ko, and lalo na ako, I'm impressed sa sarili ko na nakashoot ako tonight.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Coach, Coach Leo,
Okay naman siya. Getting better by the day. Kahapon, basta every time na maglalaro kami, hindi namin sure kung darating siya o hindi for this. He's okay. Kahapon nandun siya. 2 days, 3 days na sa practice. No problem naman. Pero, yeah, for today, he wasn't there. He might come for NLEX. Maybe we're all hoping for NLEX.
Coach, speaking of you're facing Alex na with new coach, Jimmy, you worked with him prior, San Miguel, ano lang masasabi mo sa matchup na yun with Coach Jimmy as a coach?
Hindi lang si Coach Jimmy as a coach. Alam natin talagang fired up yung NLEX kaya 3-0 din sila. Namuntikan sila dahil meron silang complacency rin nung lumamang din sila ng malaki. Same with us. But wala no. We'll go back to the coaches. We'll talk about it. We'll see what we can do. We'll see what their strengths, their weaknesses. And every game for San Miguel is a really tough game, especially without Coach Leo right now.
Coach, obviously, last conference kasi you had problems with the imports. So, it's safe to say na wala na yung problema.
Oh, very safe. Very, very safe. Alam mo, kung tinitignan niyo yung minsan kukunin niyo yung board, siya mag-aano ng play para sa amin. Makes our job really much easier. And then he talks to the players. At the start, he won't be so aggressive. The first game, puro pasa nga siya sabi ko nga sa kanya na it's up to him. He knows how to play with these guys. He knows how to motivate. So, konti pa siguro. Konting familiarity pa magiging okay. Depensa na lang siguro mag-adjust kami ng konti pa.
Dunmar played 26 minutes in fourth quarter, 18. Almost the whole fourth quarter siguro. You think he's slowly getting...
Slowly getting there. 2 things kasi. Ang hirap naman para sa mga to kasi ito hindi kasama sa Gilas Hindi ko alam kung bakit eh. Pero, wag na yun.
Off-season.
Off-season. Sa off-season namin, hindi siya nakasama kahit isang araw. Ang unang practice niya is the game right before our first game. So, two things. Number one, I think he's almost there, 80% in shape. Pero medyo masakit yung kanyang elbow, number one. Number two, before he is able to incorporate with what we've been doing for the past 5 weeks, parang nasisira minsan eh pag pinapasok eh. Kasi hindi naman siya, syempre sa dulo kailangan namin si Junmar. Ngayon pa lang na feeling his way back. So, ayan, today 26 minutes, baka next day, same 26 minutes again. Palaki na palaki yung niya, yung ambag niya sa team.